Hey all, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Herman and today I'm gonna talk to you about my favorite travel drone. You know, I take a lot of drone photos when I'm traveling, and I travel very light because I'm constantly backpacking, so I've got lots of camera gear in my backpack. I can't carry a big drone, so the lightest drone that's possible for me is the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone. You can see it's only the size of my hand when it's completely folded. When I open it, you will see it's a little bit bigger, but the main advantage of this drone is that it only weighs 249 grams and that it can film in vertical mode, 4K resolution. So when you are doing Instagrams or TikToks, this is the best drone on the market at this point. 4K video is absolutely cool because you can also crop videos if you want to without the loss of resolution for social media. What I also like is a smart controller. Let me show it. It's a controller with a screen, so you don't need your mobile phone. With the previous controller, you had to constantly put a little cable inside your mobile phone. When there is dust in your charging port, there was a signal loss. You can also shoot photos with it on a 48 megapixel resolution. So these are very large photos in camera RAW format. Also the video is RAW video. There are also lots of automatic creative shots you can let the drone make during flight, like an automatic circle or an automatic follow function where the drone follows you automatically. For example, when you're running or walking or cycling. I just wanted to make this short video to let you know what drone I'm actually using when I'm traveling. So thank you very much for listening, and if you like this video, subscribe my channel here below, and if you have more questions about drone photography when traveling, just ask them in the comments and I try to answer them very quick. Bye bye!